Ever wonder why your stomach starts growling like it's trying to talk to you? It's not just because you're hungry, that weird rumbling sound. It's actually called borborygmi. Fancy word, but it just means your digestive system is hard at work. Even when there's no food, your intestines keep squeezing and pushing air and leftover fluids around. That motion causes vibrations, and vibrations make noise. So that growl? It's basically your gut stirring an invisible soup. And yes, hunger does make it louder. Why? Because when your brain thinks it's mealtime, it tells your gut to get ready, even if the table's empty. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, just remember, it's not rude, it's science. So,